On video. This is the one I have right here. Coming up with the goat.
Donkey mess.
This thing looks like a fucking side by side. It's so small.
Put boggers on
You gotta stay at the top though. Watch that blue Jeep come up here.
Boggers on it. Roll out.
I don't know why he put boggers. It's going everywhere he points.
Exactly.
Yeah, but he's bitched about his tires been there about 7 times.
Why?
Because he said he doesn't know how to operate the internet. And he accidentally ordered those. And he was trying to get.
That does not surprise me.
He said the old lady bought me this fancy phone and things.
He's doing pretty good though. What's wrong?
Oh, he will. He's just going to give it a running start. We did that shit last night.
Hey, is this where he bent the tailpipe?
Yeah, he's coming up the other way though.
Yeah.
Yeah, you bent the tailpipe at the beginning.
No,
Yeah, right at the
coming up
beginning.
other
Bottom,
way.
right when he took in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get on it!
Good God.
Everybody! Everybody!
So it's like 2 wheelies coming up.